Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a review on T-Fal cookware set. This comes with a 20-piece set, and it is my honor to do my honest review on this product just for you. So let's get right directly into this review. All right, everyone. So one of the main reasons why I decided to buy this cookware set is because I had some pots and pans in my house that were peeling off. The paint or the material was coming off, and I needed a really reliable cookware set. And T-Fal just happened to be the cookware set that I have chosen. Now it has it comes in 20 pieces, and I'm actually going to show you the actual set is on my table laid out. But let's go ahead and take a look at the box and see what it comes with. So these are the things that you have here. You have your cover jumbo cooker, you got your oven Deutsch, you got your square griddle, you got a bunch of other things in here like your utensils and pots and pans. But one of the benefits, a few of the benefits why I like this set is because, first of all, it is a non-stick cookware set. So basically it's really good for easy cleaning, and it has even heat base. That means it's going to make sure that your food is cooked evenly around it. Now, one particular thing that this company has that it's been patented, it has a thermal spot heat indicator. So this basically tells you when the food is ready to be cooked on the on one of the pans or pots here. So basically what you see here, and I'm going to show you later in the video, that this right here, the little dots right there that indicate that the pot isn't ready. But once your food starts getting warmed up, the heat indicator is going to turn dark red, and that lets you know right there that your food is ready to be cooked. And like I said, this is fantastic because you don't have to guess anymore. You don't have to say, oh, do I got to put it in now or later? But yeah, this is so good that the company got it patented. Also, the dishware set can be put into the dishwasher up into 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And yeah, so this is very important. So you can wash your dishes, you can wash the cookware set, and don't even have to worry about it breaking on you. It also comes with a lifetime guaranteed. This is definitely special, very important. This one that got my attention because if it breaks, the company's gonna refund you your money and send you the same set or the pan or pot that broken. This is a very reliable company. And yeah, let me go ahead and turn this in the front. And I also want to show you the dishware set that we have laid out on our table. I just want to go a little bit more into detail. All right, so this is the 20-piece cookware set. It's all laid out nicely on our table here. And another thing I want to mention is that it has a nice ergonomic handle and a nice little looping. So you have like a kitchen wall where you want to loop, hang your pots and pans on. The handle is specifically designed for that too. And you can grip it and have a nice hold to it. And then you got the nice lids right here. This is a lid where you can monitor your food. It has a little opening right here to let the air out so you can easily monitor your food here. Okay, I'm gonna take that off. It also have on some of the pans here, it has a pouring spout. So if you have like some grease or some oil there, you can just tip it to the side and you can like pour it out without your food falling into the ground. And as I mentioned earlier earlier in the review, you can see right there, that's that heat indicator. As you can see right now, the dots are around it. And like I said, once you turn it on, the little dots around it's going to go away. And if you look in the back here, you got your even base cooking so that the food would be nice cooked evenly all around. And there you go. You have your griddle right here. Very nice for putting your bacon, pancake, eggs all on top of this thing right here. And only I can say that this set is absolutely phenomenal. This is made out of good material, constructed well. And this is something definitely that we love to have. Here is your 1 egg pan right here. If you want to just get a quick egg in there, you go ahead and put it in there and it just flips and it just comes out so easily. Like I said, it's very easy to clean. Go ahead and take a nice little look at all the sets. And by the way, we just moved into a new house, so I just wanted to treat my wife to this right here. Another thing that I like about this cookware set is that some of the pots has a way that you can measure the water you put in here. So if you see right there, It's in cups, so you need to put a certain amount of water in there. You can go ahead and measure it this way right here. And yeah. Now this is definitely a cookware set that I recommend. First of all, it has a heat indicator where you can monitor your food being cooked. It has a lid that has a hole to let it out. It also has heat indicators to let you know that your food is good. It comes with kitchen utensils. All around powerful 20-piece set that I definitely recommend. And I want to say thank you for watching this review, and I will definitely see you in the next video.